Hey guys, Carl's from the HID Factory, and today we got the Dodge Charger. So we did, on this one, it's a pretty basic install. We did the Underglow, and on this one, instead of doing our phone, we did a remote. Let's go ahead and get that turned on for you. So this is going to be a multicolored kit. As you can see now, we'll walk around the vehicle and show you. It's going to be whatever color. You can have it to one color. We have our, let's see, red, green, blue, yellow, cyan, whatever color you want, or you can have it flashing. Again, it can pulse to music, it can pulse to different lights, and we'll do fade. Unlike our Bluetooth controller, it has a little bit less functions, but it's still, you still get kind of the best of both worlds. These are people who just want to keep the remote in the car, just want to show it off, maybe some show car where they don't want to be doing it all the time, they don't want the hassle of their phone. But again, you do sacrifice a little bit of the usability. And we have this kit. These are universal kits. They'll fit on any vehicle. If you want to find them online, we're online at thehidfactory.com. And again, if you want to see other videos, if you want to see if we have your vehicle, you can check us out on YouTube. Just like and subscribe. We'll add that subscribe button right here somewhere to the left. And yeah, guys, any other questions or comments y'all have, go ahead and just leave a comment or reach us online or through our Facebook as well. Thanks again, guys.